to this update. Let's take a look at some things in the tropics and some other stuff. So first, in the Western Pacific, we have indications of maybe a typhoon could form like 10 days from now or something. We can see with the GFS here, the rain there and the low pressure starts forming up around May 9th, and then it forms up pretty good there and heads west on May 12th. And I think the GFS is exaggerating, but it shows a pretty big typhoon, like category 5 there or 4, scraping the Philippines, but it doesn't make landfall. It goes north and scrapes the coast of Japan, but it won't hit or anything, it will just be close by. And then this big low pressure will be already non-tropical and affect Far Eastern Russia there and curve towards the east. So, and then by May 19th or something, we have another low pressure showing up there near Taiwan, maybe bringing some rain there, and this model does go out further, but that's May 21st already. That's very far out, but there'll be a lot of rain in those areas of Southeast Asia and everything during that period. But let's see what the Euro has with this typhoon. So let's see. It's a little bit slower to form it. Wait, actually the Euro isn't showing this storm forming. It just shows a lot of moisture there in some areas, but it doesn't have this typhoon forming. So let's see the Canadian, if it has something. So let's see. It has moisture there around the Philippines, but remember by May 12th, this was already a full-fledged typhoon there. By May 15th, the Canadian doesn't have anything either. Has just a low pressure there between Vietnam and the Philippines that might bring some rain to Vietnam after that. But strange, only the GFS is showing that. So let's see. And we have that system affecting Korea now and heading into Japan, bringing some rain. It shows another system by May 12th, bringing some rain in Japan there, and more low pressures there in Japan by May 15th, and affecting Far Eastern Russia. All of that non-tropical, just storms, low pressure. So let's see now the Australian region, because there's a low pressure trying to form there too. This might become something. So you can see by May 13th, a low pressure just north of Australia there. And let's see the other region here. So yes, but by May 15th, this potentially tropical storm or something scrapes East Timor and Timor there and heads out into the ocean, dissipates. But the Canadian has this as a pretty big storm too. But wait, now it's showing the typhoon in the Pacific there. No, sorry, this is the GFS. Sorry, I changed here. This is the GFS. So it's showing a pretty big storm there in the southern Indonesia too. So let's see the rain accumulation here for those areas, because there'll be a lot of rain from all these low pressures and stuff in New Guinea there. So please be aware of this rain. In the southern Solomon Islands, a lot of accumulation too, and in other areas there. So let's see the other region here, the Indian Ocean. So It's also showing there for Timor and those areas, the rain accumulation, and also for the southwestern Indian Ocean, across the open waters there, a lot of accumulation from this tropical moisture. Bangladesh, some more rain, Southeast Asia, near the northern Philippines there. Yeah, so this is generally it, I think. Be careful with this rain in southern Indonesia there, in Papua New Guinea, and we'll keep monitoring these cyclones for